Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a comprehensive analysis of Cardano ADA, which achieved its first ever weekly golden cross on July 9, 2025, when the 50-week moving average crossed above the 200-week moving average, a classic bullish indicator that often signals long-term upside potential. However, despite this strong technical development, ADA continues to trade below the critical 66 cents resistance level aligned with the 50-day moving average, and analysts caution that sustained closes above 64 cents are necessary to confirm real bullish momentum, while the Plowman hard fork in Q1 2025 continues advancing. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and involve significant risk. Always conduct your own research, DOR, and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The opinions expressed are based on publicly available information and personal analysis at the time of recording and may change without notice. I am not responsible for any financial losses incurred as a result of actions taken based on this content. Decentralization efforts with 70.92% of ADA held in long-term holder addresses according to CoinMarketCap data, highlighting strong conviction among investors, and whale activity has intensified significantly as addresses holding between 1 to 10 million ADA accumulated 120 million tokens worth approximately $3.3 billion since June 25th. Yet despite this accumulation, the price has remained range-bound between 59 and 63 cents and has underperformed Bitcoin's 7% weekly gain with only 4.7% growth. ETF speculation remains active, with Bloomberg analysts estimating 75% approval odds for a Cardano ETF, even though no formal filings have been submitted. And while network upgrades and whale accumulation suggest increasing institutional confidence, ADA still requires a decisive breakout above 666 cents to fully capitalize on its bullish technical setup, raising the question of whether Cardano's enterprise-focused tools such as Reeve can attract sufficient real-world adoption to justify large-scale accumulation. Recently, Cardano staged a strong rally to catch up with top-performing altcoins, gaining 53% in just 2 weeks during its impulsive move, though RSI divergence now suggests the possibility of a local top forming around 93 cents, and depending on short-term sentiment, the probability leans toward consolidation or a retest of the immediate 80 cent support level where the 20-day moving average converges, while price candles have formed a tight bullish channel that would only be invalidated by a close below the prior candle's low. And ADA recently posted a 3% daily decline following a volatile overnight session where prices swung more than 10% between 862 and 963. Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson stated during a Friday AMA that a potential September Federal Reserve rate cut, along with the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, could fuel the next phase of crypto market expansion. And as traders assess regulatory developments and institutional demand signals, ADA appears to be stabilizing around key support levels, with live price data showing fluctuations in the 0.127 to 0.28 cent range, 24-hour trading volume between approximately $330 million and $357 million, and a market capitalization near $9.8–10.1 billion, supported by a circulating supply of roughly 36 billion ADA out of a maximum 45 billion supply, consistently ranking among the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. Fundamentally, Cardano operates as a secure and scalable blockchain platform featuring a dual-layer architecture that separates transaction settlement from smart contract execution for improved efficiency, utilizing the Ouroboros proof-of-stake consensus protocol that divides time into epochs and slots, selects slot leaders proportionally based on staked ADA, allows holders to delegate to stake pools for rewards, and prioritizes energy efficiency compared to proof-of-work systems, while also enabling smart contracts, decentralized applications, and community governance through ADA holder voting, making it a technologically robust and innovation-driven ecosystem. Additional reports have referenced ADA pricing near 0.8984, alongside a surge in trading volume to $899.9 million and a market capitalization exceeding $32 billion, reflecting periods of elevated activity driven by ETF speculation, on-chain development updates, and community engagement. And meanwhile, the Remedix DeFi project has gained attention with RTX tokens priced between 0.1080 and 0.0166, raising over $27 million through the sale of more than 667 to 681 million tokens, offering a live beta wallet supporting 40-plus cryptocurrencies and 30-plus fiat currencies, confirming centralized exchange listings with Bitmart and LBank to enhance liquidity and visibility, and launching incentives such as a 15% USDT referral program, a $250,000 giveaway, and a limited RTX 50 code providing a 50% token bonus ahead of a major listing reveal. Overall, Cardano demonstrates an active community, structured upgrade roadmap, and a mature staking ecosystem, while other assets remain sentiment-driven, and investors seeking real-time utility and rapid feature deployment may also evaluate emerging projects that are aggressively expanding adoption and product testing. So if you found this in-depth crypto breakdown valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.